Hello and welcome to this video. So we have the question: evaluate the limit as x tends to 0 of this function. So to solve this question, first thing we are going to do is try and see if by direct substitution we can get the value that this limit attains as x approaches 0. So by directly substituting 0 into this function, I'm going to be having 1 plus 0 minus 1 minus 0 over 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is square root of 1 minus 1 minus 0 is also 1. Square root of 1 over 0. So square root of 1 minus square root of 1, that gives me 0 over 0. So meaning that this is indeterminate. So we have to look for another means to solve this question. And that is where the concept of limit by rationalization comes in. So to solve this, we rationalize our function, be it numerator or denominator. So I'm going to do something like this. This will be limit as x tends to 0, square root of 1 plus x minus 1 minus x over x. So I'm going to multiply this by the conjugate. So the conjugate of this will be square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x over square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. You might be wondering why I am doing it like this. This is to ensure that I maintain the neutrality of the function. So expanding this will be limit as x tends to 0 of, I can use difference of 2 squared for the numerator. So I have something like 1 plus x all squared minus 1 minus x all squared over x into 1 plus x plus 1 minus x. So this gives me limit as x tends to 0 into 1 plus x minus into bracket 1 minus x over x into square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. Now expanding what we have at the numerator, this gives me limit as x tends to 0 of 1 plus x minus 1 plus x over x into 1 plus x plus 1 minus x. So 1 minus 1 gives me 0, and I'm left with 2x at the numerator. So I have a limit as x tends to 0, 2x over x into square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. So this x cancels this x, and I'm left with limit as x tends to 0 of 2 over square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. Now I can directly substitute in my values, and that will give me 2 over square root of 1 plus 0 plus square root of 1 minus 0. And this will be 2 over 1 plus 0 is going to give me 1. So the square root of 1 is 1 plus 1 minus 0 is going to give me 1. The square root of 1 is 1. And this gives me 2 over 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is going to give us 1. Hence, the limit of this function as x approaches 0 is 1. Isn't this beautiful? I hope you've learned something new in this video. If you have, drop in the comment section. I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.